Okay guys, so this video will explain to you trade discount or cash discount yang you provide kepada your customer or your debtor. Okay. As I mentioned earlier, trade discount is sold goods kepada customer dalam kuantiti yang banyak and to appreciate your customer because of dia beli banyak from your business, then you bagi discount. Or maybe the customer itself, okay, demand for discount. Macam you pergi kedai lah, you beli banyak, okay, you tak boleh kasih discount ke? So, bila that okay bagi you discount, so means that is straight discount because of you beli banyak. Okay. Cash discount, I told you just now, is a discount only for debtor, to encourage the debtor to pay quickly. Okay? Because bila hutang ni lambat bayar, lagi dia tak nak bayar. So, to encourage them to pay quickly, we give discount. So, they must fulfill certain timeline or period. Like say, if the debtor bayar that amount to your business dalam masa 1 week, they are entitled to get 10% discount. So, kalau dia bayar after 1 week, dia tak akan dapat 10% discount. So, you know, normally, dia akan bayar lah macam PT-PTN kan. Kalau you bayar cepat for 1 year, dia akan bagi you discount before this. Kalau you bayar lambat, tak ada discount. So, of course lah, discount ni akan encourage the debtor to pay quickly. Okay, now, trade discounts, sold goods to Abu for RM5,000 by check and provide 10% of discount due to large quantity sold to him. So, trade discount, I told you just now, previous video, no need to record the discount amount that you give, okay, to your customer. Tak perlu record. You just record biasa saja berapa yang you sold goods to your customer. So, here Abu. So, let's say, you sold goods to Abu RM5,000. You bagi trade discount 10%. So, you times 10%. So, discount you bagi pada Abu is 500. Berapa je Abu kena bayar dekat your business? 4,500. And Abu will pay using by check. So, this 500, you don't have to record. Okay, kita write off macam tu je. But this 4,500 we need to record macam biasa tadi. Sold goods by check. So the first item similar with our previous video, mesti ada bank sebab Abu bayar guna bank by check. Do not put here check. And again, I don't want to explain again bank under apa. Of course, bank under asset, you can always check from the circle, from the brain power. And your business asset will increase lah because Abu bayar dekat your business. Your business receive cash dalam bank account. You check ada payment from Abu RM4,500. And second transaction, sold goods, right? Sold good is in accounting, macam the previous video, the term is sales. And sales always under revenue. And revenue for business, of course lah increase because every new sale will increase business revenue. Okay. Now, sama juga principle double entry. We have debit. We have credit. Okay. So, you use the accounting circle macam biasa. Bank is under asset. Asset increase. So, asset increase we record under debit. So, debit bank, not debit asset. So, here is very important. Is it 5,000? No. We just record the balance that Abu must pay to your business. The amount you sold kepada Abu only 4,500. Okay. Sales is under revenue. Revenue for business increase. So you go to revenue. Okay, revenue increase, we record under credit. So not credit revenue, credit the revenue items here is sales. Also 4,500. So the question now is, this 500 trade discounts, the one, we need to record or not? So I told you many times, no need to record. So our effects only for bank sales, and then our effects only for bank 4,500 for debit, and credit sales 4,500 after discount. The amount is after discount. But sometimes you need to be careful. Sometimes, you know, kita nak treat the student, sold goods to Abu, and then this amount dah tolak pun discount. So no need to recalculate lagi discount. So be careful. This one is very clear that 5,000 is the amount is before discount, the trade discount. Okay, now I will explain for the cash discount. Okay, for the cash discount, normally, okay, akan berlaku when the debtor start to pay lah, because if they have a quick payment, they will receive 10% discount. So if there's no quick payment, you give 1 week to get 10%, they pay to your business second week. So no 10% discount. So cash discount. So your business policy must be determined when to give discount. For a period of 1 week or 2 weeks, your business need to decide the policy. Okay. Okay, for the cash discount, you can see that debtor Achong. So I'm using the same example of the debtor from my previous video. If I'm not mistaken, you sold goods to Achong on credit for Rm 5,000 ringgit. So now Achong, okay, having intention to pay the amount of 5,000 ringgit because you are offering 10%. Remember when I mentioned you must assume yourself not as individual, you are a business. So you need to calculate this discount, similar with trade discount, but the question is, we need to record or not? For cash discount, yes, we need to record. The 10% amount of discount, we need to record. For trade discounts, we just record the final balance after discount. We don't need to record the 10% of discount, but cash discount we need to record. How to differentiate between cash discount and trade discount? You look at back the definition of trade discount and cash discount. Trade discount we give because of large quantity. Cash discount, business give the cash discount because to encourage quick payment. So this is the term that you may identify during the final exam to give you some idea to identify that discount is trade discount or cash discount. So your English must be superb lah, must be good. If you have a problem to identify, means you have a problem for your English. Most of the students, they have a problem for their English to understand the sentence. That's a problem. Okay, so we go to the cash discount. Debtor Achong has been given 10% of discount to encourage him for quick payment of Rm 5,000 ringgit debt. Okay, so we need to calculate the discount. 5,000 ringgit is the amount of debt by Achong times 10% again. Okay, so equal to 500 ringgit. Okay, so Achong just pay for 4,500 ringgit. Okay, similar example with trade discount, but different person. Just now trade discount, we don't have to record for 500. We just record straightforward. We just record immediately for 5,500. But for cash discount, we need to record both. How much the balance that need to pay, and how much discount that you offer to encourage your debtor for quick payment. You need to record both. Okay, so we record first the discount. Okay, this is a discount. Okay, what is the term here? You can check from the circle. Who provide discount? Business. So we call it as discount allowed. So the first effect, when your business provide discount to debtor for quick payment, the first effect is discount allowed. Who allowed discount? Business. That's why we call it discount allowed. So the first effect is discount allowed. And if you check from the circle of expenses, discount allowed memang under expenses. Even you check from the brain power revenue, discount allowed is under expenses. Dia takkan berada dekat tempat yang lain. So you put here expenses. So expenses of business now increase lah because of, you know, business now provide expenses untuk bagi discount. Expenses of business now increase. Expenses tu belanja. Setiap kali you purchase, setiap kali you belanja duit, you pergi Family Mart, you pergi IKEA, you belanja, expenses you akan meningkat. So the more discount that you provide to the debtor, so the more expenses of the business, and then akan increase lah the amount of expenses for business. Okay. So second transactions, siapa yang dapat that discount? Definitely the debtor. That's why the second effect here is debtor. And you need to specify here siapa yang dapat that discount. Debtor Achong. Okay. And debtor is under aside. You can check again from the circle. Not the Achong. That's why kita kena completekan dia punya terms here. Debtor dash Achong. Not Achong. If you check from the circle, Achong takkan ada dalam circle. Achong ke Mutu ke Sami ke mana ada dalam circle tu. So that's why I told you many times, do not create your items sesuka hati. Cannot. So debtor Achong aside. So your right towards the debtor now decrease because you are providing discount 500. You cannot collect the 500. So it will affect your rights to collect the amount that debtor Achong hold currently. That's why the amount or the effect is decreased. Okay, so when you have the perfect effects of transaction, I think you don't have the problem anymore to convert principal double entry. So what's the debit and credit? So you go to the effects. Number one, discount allowed, expenses increase. So you go to expenses pie. Okay, expenses pie, you see expenses increase, we record under debit. So not debit expenses, but expenses item here is discount allowed. So how much discount that you allowed to Achong? Not 4,500. Discount figures here is 500. So 500. Okay. Second effects here. Sometimes student bila dah tahu debit tu yang dia dah tahu lah yang second is credit. But if you not sure, you can always confirm with this circle. So debtor Achong asset decrease. Okay, you go to asset. When asset decrease, we record under credit. Can you see? Asset decrease, credit. So not credit asset. I told you many times, credit the specific name. Debtor Achong. You just copy exactly from your effects. Achong. RM 500. Okay. So we record already this figure. Now we need to record the second one. So normally bila debtor nak bayar bila debtor terima discount, cash discount ni, dia sebenarnya sekali jalan dengan bayar terus. Kalau tak bayar, tak boleh dapat diskaun tu. So, the amount that the debtor pay also must be recorded. Okay? So, even the question silent, the platform, the debtor ni dapat discount 10%. And then, what kind of the platform dia bayar? Is it using cash ataupun bank? If the question silent for the payment, so assume that the payment using bank. Okay, if the question sign, unless the question stated that for quick payment of RM5,000 debt using cash, then you boleh guna cash. But if the question silent, tak tahu debtor ni bayar kat your business guna bank or cash, so kalau silent using bank. Okay, so we have a second effects of transaction. Untuk yang 4,500 ni pun kena record jugalah. So this one you dah dapat jawapan. Okay, untuk yang discount tadi, this one. Okay, discount allowed and debtor. So I need to clear this one. My whiteboard sangat kecil. Tak sempat nak beli whiteboard besar. Okay. Now I'm going to the second effects. Okay. Can you see? Do not assume that one transaction only one effects ataupun one principal double entry. Sometimes, especially for cash discount, there are the two effects. First effects for discount allowed, and then second effect is the payment. We need to record it. So when the question silent mention about payment method, so I told you assume using bank. So the first effect is bank. I tak nak mention berapa kali dah. Bank always under asset. And bila debtor bayar to your business means asset you increase. Okay. Orang bayar kat kita. Okay, transfer to our bank account. So you check bank account, ada duit tak? Ada. So bertambah kan? So increase. Second effect here is siapa yang bayar? Okay, debtor. Acong. Sama tadi, siapa yang dapat diskaun? Debtor, acong. Now, who pay to your business for quick payment? Debtor, acong. Debtor also under asset. Now, you dah tak ada rights toward debtor dah sebab debtor dah bayar. That's why bank you dah increase, dah ada duit tu. Your rights toward debtor dah decrease. Okay? So, you cannot ask the debtor bayar lagi lepas ni, tak ada. When the debtor pay 4,500, settle full amount, so your rights towards acong, okay, as your asset before this, decrease. Okay? So now when you have the effects, refer your circle. Bank asset increase. Okay, bank asset increase. When asset increase, record under debit. Can you see? Asset increase, debit. So not debit asset, debit bank. How much? This is another issues. Okay. So you cannot record 5,000. So you cannot record 500. 500 we dah record dah tadi. We recorded that value already 500. So we just record the amount that the debtor pay to your business. The balance is 4,500. Yang dia transfer only 500 tu dia tak transfer lah because discount kan. Ada ke orang discount kena bayar? Tak ada kan? Kita write off terus. But must be recorded. And then debtor acong asset decrease. So debtor asset decrease. Asset decrease we record under credit. Can you see? Asset decrease credit. So credit not the asset, credit the specific name of the asset here is debtor. Achong, similar lah, 4,500. Can you see? From one transactions, we have two things to be recorded. The discount allowed that you offer to Achong, to the debtor for quick payment. And then, the amount, the balance of the amount that Achong must pay to your business. Okay, 4,500. For the trade discount, kita just record sekali saja. The amount of discount, no need to record. The final amount dia yang Abu kena bayar. Okay? So, sebab apa? Because trade discount baru nak start jual. So, kita tak record lagi dalam our accounting. Our T account. But cash discount, kita dah record the transaction sales tu tadi at the first place. So, bila dah record, figure tu dah recorded. So, that's why kita nak deduct, nak decreasekan the amount of the debt by debtor Achong. Kita kena record that discount amount. Otherwise, it's like that debtor Achong still ada hutang 500 with your business. But actually dah tak ada. Because, kenapa dia bayar 4,500 ringgit only instead of 5,000? Because of 500 ringgit, you give Achong, debtor Achong discount allowed. Okay. So, my next video will explain to you still under revenue, but we go to number 4, when the customer return back the goods because of damage or defect to your business.